When I first moved to Arizona, it was a culture shock of how the AC unit was like very important. In Washington, it's just cold. It doesn't really get hot, so you don't really kind of think about that. But once you move here, it's like air conditioning becomes a big factor in everybody's life. So I grew up in Washington, and I had a really nice friend group growing up. We actually started a little clothing business in high school, and that's what kind of brought me into a lot of working with my hands. Also, my dad and my grandpa showed me everything. We had a family construction business, and that's kind of where I grew up around all the trades. And then I got a job at a pizza place randomly, and I became the doughboy, and that's kind of where I met my wife. And then we decided to move to Arizona. When we first moved here, I got a job as a windshield salesman and hated that, sold maybe one windshield. Kind of went from job to job, figuring out what I wanted to do, and just not being happy, with the financial situation we were in. We wanted to do more. We wanted to own a home. We wanted to start a family. And I was on a furniture delivery one day at my upholstery shop, and I saw the RSI billboard, and I said, why not start a career, doing something in a trade again? It's kind of all history after that, because once I made the call, they scheduled a tour, and I was there the next week. I did the 14-month program, so I was able to do solar, residential electrical, and HVAC all in the one program. And I got to kind of play with all the different tools here and kind of explore what I wanted to do. And HVAC is where I found my first passion. My favorite part about going to RSI was probably the friends I made along the way. We all helped each other in a lot of ways. The instructors are awesome. I think they have a lot of patience for all of us. We have so many questions every day. I'll never forget phase one with Tom. When I aced my first exam, he flicked me a coin with the Ohm's law on it, and I still have it in my nightstand to this day. So the instructors are a lot of fun. They make it a lot of fun. I've heard other techs that didn't go to RSI, they chose another path. They didn't get to work on as much as we get to work on at RSI. So yeah, hands-on here is amazing. Having RSI as a school at the top of your resume list is another thing that sets you apart from other people, and that's kind of what set me apart when I applied at Howard Air. My journey with Howard Air has been amazing. It's really opened up a lot of opportunities for me, as far as it's given me knowledge, it's given me friends at work. Yeah, we like to say we're doing the Lord's work out here in Arizona, the hottest state in the United States. When it's 115, 116 degrees outside, it definitely becomes kind of personal, like I want to get this unit fixed for this family so that they're not sweating all day. And one thing I really enjoy is they give you a van, of course, to take home and drive around. It's been my baby for a year and a half. Clean, crisp, organized, toolboxes on the walls, you name it. So every kind of weekend or so, some people, mow the lawn. I go out and kind of organize and clean my van. It's impacted my life in great ways. I'm just fulfilled inside that I have a career that's a long-term job that I can actually love doing. Financially, it's very rewarding. It's allowed us to do a lot of things we love to do. We like to travel a lot, so we've been to Greece, we've been to Portugal, and it's just allowed us to, all of that freedom. We both have careers we enjoy, so it's rewarded us in those ways. It feels good to have gotten this far in this industry this fast. It feels like just yesterday I was attending RSI, honestly. I look back at what I've done already in the field, and it feels amazing, and I can't wait for the future. I'm Isaac, and I'm proud to be an RSI graduate.